Clogged arteries are at the forefront of significant health problems affecting the heart, and are one of the main causes of death worldwide due to the negative impact on blood flow. There are foods that can aid in the treatment of arterial plaque, demonstrating the importance of diet and heart health maintenance. It's a safe and effective natural treatment for high blood pressure and other cardiac problems. 1. Among the first of these is asparagus. One of the best foods to help clear out your arteries is asparagus. Asparagus is high in fiber and mineral content, so it aids in reducing blood pressure and preventing blood clots by reducing inflammation in the veins and arteries. Antioxidant glutathione, which defends against inflammation and inhibits the damaging oxidation that leads to arterial plaque, is increased by the asparagus plant. Folic acid, which is found in asparagus, can lower the risk of atherosclerosis. You can either steam asparagus or use it as an ingredient. 2. Olive oil. Monounsaturated oleic acid, found in olive oil, is an important fatty acid that has been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol while raising HDL levels. Olive oil is highly recommended above other oils because of its high antioxidant content and overall health benefits. Select organic, extra virgin olive oil for the best results. 3. The avocado. The avocado's ability to lower bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol aids in the elimination of arterial plaque. In addition to the blood pressure lowering effects of potassium, vitamin E in this cuts the risk of harmful cholesterol oxidation. 4. Watermelon. Nitric oxide production can be increased by consuming watermelon, which contains the amino acid L-citrulline. Nitric oxide has been linked to a decrease in blood pressure, reduced inflammation, and a loosening of arterial walls. Watermelon may also aid in regulating blood fat levels and preventing abdominal fat buildup. The risk of cardiovascular disease is lowered as belly fat decreases. 5. Greens. Eating broccoli or cauliflower regularly can help keep arteries clear. Cauliflower, a rich source of vitamin K, also contains sulforaphane, which improves protein utilization and hence reduces atherosclerotic plaque formation. The potassium, folate, and fiber included in spinach are beneficial in preventing high blood pressure and blocking the arteries. 6. Fatty fish. Healthy fats found in fatty fish like mackerel, salmon, and sardines can aid in the cleaning of arterial plaque. While lowering triglyceride levels, decreasing vascular inflammation, and preventing blood clot formation are all benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, another is that they help raise HDL, good cholesterol levels. Plaque can be kept at bay by eating fish at least twice a week. Eating it baked or grilled is optimal. 7. Turmeric. Curcumin, found in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory that contributes to the development of atherosclerosis. Blood clots and plaque formation are two of the many health problems turmeric can aid with. Because of the vitamin B6 in turmeric, healthy levels of homocysteine, which can lead to plaque development and damage to blood vessels, are maintained. The health advantages of turmeric can be obtained by including it in a variety of meals. 8. Nuts. If your arteries are clogged, almonds are your best bet. Almonds' magnesium helps keep plaque from forming and blood pressure down because of its high monounsaturated fat, vitamin E, fiber, and protein content. Walnuts are a great option for those looking to increase their omega-3 fatty acid intake and lessen their risk of atherosclerotic plaque development.